You need this? Bring in the
Yeah, dito.
ice coffee na.
Ito, tinry natin to guys. Chicken mango chutney. At ipapatry natin sa mga bata.
Which one?
It also with rice. It's good. It's fresh. Mmm. Mmm. Sarap siya. Vandalism.
Good afternoon guys. Ari kita di sa Arna Subong sa na-discover lang namon. Sang bana ko no discover niya kaysa una may ara nga sentro man nga gamay sang Furberg. Pero ini siya subong lang namon na discover na sentro man ni siya gali sang Furberg. Wala train na metro na siya dito. Ay, buhay nakita. Dali lang.
Ano kaya tong kulay blue na to?
I don't know.
Diyan
Yeah.
pwedeng mag-park eh. Pero kailangan yata maglagay ng something eh.
Uy, ano to oh. Kanami. The flower shop ni ho. Uy! Ay, kaya lang sarado. Hindi sure kung pwedeng masulod. Kalapit-lapit lang din sa amo niya. 15 minutes drive. Subong lang kami nakakanto sa lugar nga ni Furberg ni siya. Furberg, Netherlands. The Hague, Netherlands.
Hindi kaya
Ano ba?
pumunta dyan by car?
None.
Try to find Italian ice cream, but if we can't find Italian ice cream, then we're just gonna find normal ice cream.
Ari na tag di subong sa another area sang Furberg Centrum. Pero nami diri kay may mga signature nga brand. Nakita ko may Hilfiger, may Guess, everything. May
Yan o. Kaya nung blue.
Yeah, tapos ari ho, Delft Blue do mo na.
Bizarre.
Pero expensive.
Sarado pala siya pag linggo.
Sarado pag Domingo.
Yeah.
I care. What is it, John?
My legs.
Pero nami, diri kay dako siya nga shop compared dito sa sentro. Pero mga signature, ano diri nakita ko, it's signature branded. Not sa normal na city center. Kaya ang sa city center, Albertine, H&M, but diri wala. Ano lang siya, Hilfiger, Polo, Guess, nakita ko ito kagina. KitKat, which is wala na sa normal na centrum. Pero close lang din. Pero pag mag-sale, as I remember, long time ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago, may sale na diri sila, barato. Pero sa una, wala pa nag-fluctuate ang euro. Fluctuate ba na? Dad, nag-tumaas. Ha? Hindi pa tumaas?
Tumaas. Oo.
Oh, hindi pa lumaki. So, dati, pag nagbagsak presyo talaga, makakabili ka pa ng mga makakabakal.
Baka ibig mo sabihin yung ano, hindi pa siya euro.
Euro siya.
Ah, hindi pa yung-
Hindi pa ganun. Hindi ganun kamahal kasi pag nag-sale dati dito,
Mm.
may mabibili ka ng mga signature na product for 10 euro.
Yeah.
But now it's wala eh. So teka lang kung may 15 ka pang signature. Sa una, sang ginagalo naman kay sa bana ako sa Father's Day, yung baka naman sa bata ako sa France, na outlet store na Tommy Hilfiger is only 15 euro t-shirt. So it's good. Swerte mo kay ang normally sa mga sale is 35 per t-shirt, plain t-shirt ng signature branded. For boys, for man. Sinat.
Ayan. Uy, ay, museum ito ah. Oo. Ayan po, museum. Kahit maliit lang siya na city, meron pa rin siyang mga museum, no?
Wala din sale dito eh. Wala ko dito kami umiikot ni Hexal lasa ni Mata.
Yeah. Okay. Nakapunta ka na dito.
Oo, kami food ko na.
Alright. Ngayon lang ako
Nakalimutan
20 years na ako dito sa Netherlands. Ngayon pa lang.
Nakalimutan ko lang. Hindi
Well,
na kami nakaikot kasi doon kami sa parting may mga signature. Ano to eh, parang middle ng Lights and down. Ay, lights and down. Yeah.
Yeah. Sabi mo nga kanina.
Okay.
Baka dito. Alaysa,
Pakita
merong
naman
papunta
ang,
rito pa.
Ano, ang ice cream house.
Ayan o, ayan o. Yun, dun. Merong ding, may ganyan siya. Ang ganda nga eh.
Okay. Remember, ate, last time we went to bring the boys for the birthday party of the twins? We passed by here, right? And then we saw Leona for the bus. Yeah, kasi dun parang may monkey town doon. Tapos naglakad kami pabalik. Kasi wala kaming kotse.
Anong ginawin niya?
Hinatid namin itong dalawa. Tumambay na rin kami ni Alaysa at ni Sean. Si Andrew lang kasi ang invited.
Yeah.
At saka si Sean pala sa birthday party ng kambal at ni...
Ito yung La Cubanita oh. Cuban. Cuban restaurant.
Oh yeah. Kasi na-try namin ni Mamang Norris to sa The Hague
Yeah.
na Cuban. Yung kami pa ng mga girls dati.
Yeah.
Mga Bisaya girl. May ano, na-try namin yung isang basong cocktail tapos isang straw lang kaming 5. Si Althea, si Mary Ann lang ang wala.
See? You see the houses? Typical, what can you say about the houses, ate? Typical Netherlands style, eh? Look at this, this one. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, di ba? Yeah. Hindi naman siguro.
Ganitong bahay, wala naman kita ng mga model niya, mga matapang.
Hindi mo masasabi, ha?
This is a boom fountain, Condiguran, King's Super Flat Soup.
O yan, oh. Oh, 18 na, tinayo pa siya, ano? 1888.
1888.
Yeah.
Hindi pa kami pinanganak.
Mga lolo natin hindi pa pinanganak. Kamo, lahat. Yan, dyan. Yeah, you find something? Mousseline. Ah, hindi. Ang sinaserve pala nila mousseline. Maganda siya, oh. Restaurant. Do you serve ice cream here?
What kind of ice cream?
Some bolletjes ice cream or something?
Takeaway bolletjes ijs? Yes, but not for takeaway.
Yeah, we can eat here.
You can eat here,
Yeah, ice cream.
but not. But also drinks then.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
also.
okay, you can just
something.
take table, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Muslim daw.
Mousseline.
Share na lang tayo, tapos dala-dala mga
We always have to check.
Yeah.
Daddy, hanap
Where?
tayo ng ano yun. Ng ganyang
Ano daw?
base.
Ganyang
Pwede
base.
natin pwede dala sa ano.
Here.
No, something next to the river is would be fine. But,
Doon sa may boat. Oh, isa lang.
okay, okay.
There's so.
Ah, there. Ay, reserve na. Here, in the middle.
I got iced coffee na walang slack room.
Walang salak room.
Yes, ang bata ko slack room.
And what is that, kuya?
Mango Romanov.
Mango Romanov without vodka.
Pwedeng sabihin yun.
Ha?
Wait, what is the leaf?
Ate, ano yung sayo din?
Dessert.
Yeah, Mango Romanov.
Mango, maro.
Romanov.
Yeah, without.
So ako, cappuccino. Cappuccino de cappuccino.
Ballerina cappuccino. And good, Papa, it looks like the head.
Sunday relaxing.
Papa, that looks like the ballerina cappuccino head.
Yeah.
Ballerina cappuccino.
Okay. And you, what do you have? Ginger. Ginger ale. For session. And then mango. Wow, wow, wow.
Mango wawa. What is that?
Mango Romanov. Wow, wow, wow.
What? That is not even thing.
What is then the thing?
You know Shabazini Bananini?
Huh?
Shabazini Bananini.
Ah, that is Champansini Bananini.
No, not only banana. Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Ah, pwedeng i-try ito sa Pilipinas siguro, no?
Yeah. But you know, in the recipe, search the name.
Yeah, you can search.
Mango. There's
Yeah. Sarap, pwedeng gawin sa Pilipinas.
ito sa baba, may mango. Coconut.
Ha? Ayan. Meron tayong nakita doon na mga nagbo-boating. Ayan o, si Manong. Maganda rin eh. Picturesque. Tapos maganda yung simoy ng hangin. Nakaka-relax. Chill.
Gil.
Oh yeah, Papa, can you explain me
The French Revolution? Yes.
Papa, you know?
when I learn? I really know.
Yeah. What I don't want to give you like false information, but what I understood about what happened in the revolution in France is they were like fed up with the monarchy that they have. People were starving, poor, you know, the common people, and you can see the frustration of those people. I heard, so everyday party for the monarchy, and on the contrary, the people in the village are starving. Yeah, that is, you know, it happened like it's not just happened for a short period. It was already going on for a long period of time, and people, you know, they don't see changes. They see always they as if they were the king and queen that they treat like by that time lord, you know. They don't care for them. So what happened is those people, like the common folk,
No, finish it.
they revolted, and they revolted. They made a revolution. They tried to
bring it.
overthrow their own system. They rebelled. That's what happened. Revolution. And then the masses, the folk, common folk, they won, I think.
And the only way
And then they I think they killed everybody.
on the guillotine or something.
Yeah, they killed.
The
They killed. I think yes. And even the lords and even the ones who are not the king and queen, but the duke or the, you know, the people in higher authority. And I think that's what happened. And then from then on, the monarchy system in France, it was I think there are still royal bloods, but the system of government is like, it's not like what you have now here in Netherlands or in the UK. There is no more king and queen over there.
How they make like
I think it started when some engine was discovered, and when people understand how to use the diesel, because before they don't know how to use what is they have the oil, but they don't know how to convert the oil into an energy source. Langga.
Ay, Maxi. Nashock ako sa yung kauna namon. Ang ngalan is Rever. Hamalta chill lang. Ang kita nyo na makagina, Ang in-order lang iced coffee, duha ka ginger valley, tapos duha ka iced coffee, tapos duha ka mango ice cream. Tapos isa cappuccino. Hi Diyos, ko expect ko mga balaydang ko lang mga
20.
25, 30. Normal, kay mahal na di kay summer in order mo ice. Hi Diyos, kasi nagbayad ako ba na 50, puta. Bako na, ay sorry. Bako kung nagkadto na lang tani sa Chinese restaurant, may take home patatani. Bako nagtipid-tipid kami sa kortina namon, kaya bako wala budget. Sa drinks pa chill, 50. Imagine mo na sa euro to, sa pesos pala dad.
5,000.
No?
Ay, hindi. 3,000.
3,000 pesos sa drinks lang.
Oo.
Sa 3,000 pesos, nagkadto ko tani sa tondo. Yung maituyukan pa ko yung sangyup niya. May take home pa ko. Damo pag yung pakaong ko. Ay, ambot. At least balaan doon dito magmanual sa sunod.
Oo.
Madala na lang kami tubig. Lumabakal na lang ako sa
Hindi,
ice cream. Magginadilaan, malhaw.
Ice cream na lang
Ay,
sana.
Diyos ko, pasosyal. Kay nami,
Bumili
ang
na lang tayo
view.
ng-
Galing kay ang view, ginabaydan.
Oo.
O, sige na.
Sige na.
Bye-bye for now. Like and share and subscribe.